Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can check your Blinkit order history in any smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first friends, let's open the Blinkit. Here it is, the application. You can download it from the Play Store and Apple Store. Just you have to simply tap on it. I have already logged in. You can log in through your number. You can enable the device location. So now you can see this. You have to simply tap on this profile icon. So friends, here you can see you have to just simply click on your orders, and here you can see all the history of your orders. So this is arrived in 9 minutes to 209 order 12 August 7:21 p.m. So that's how you can check all of your history just like this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.